Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To buy Dogecoin on Binance, tap Open your Binance app from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your Binance account. From the main homepage of Binance, tap the Trade button in yellow at the bottom of the screen. Select Buy and right where it says Search, tap it on and search for DOGE and you'll be able to see Dogecoin Crypto appearing in the search result. Tap on Dogecoin and enter the amount of Dogecoin that you're trying to buy. You can select your currency by tapping on the USD option and tapping on the currency that you're trying to purchase. Finally, tap the Buy button in yellow at the bottom of the screen, select your payment method, and confirm your purchase by tapping on the Confirm button at the lower right-hand corner. That is how you can easily buy Dogecoin on Binance. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.